Our members provide us with a huge amount of feedback, and the feedback is always generally centred around how they're being challenged in the delivery of their services and how business is moving so quickly. So we always need to make sure that looking forward, changes that are made to the business community overall or to changes that are specifically made to the accounting profession aligned and are well understood before being implemented. At times you can find well-intended changes not delivering the outcomes that are ultimately sought for, and when that occurs there is a lack then of confidence in how change can be implemented. Changes to our profession is like all cultural change. It needs to be managed, good communication needs to happen, and once there is all a clear understanding of change, people will grasp it and understand the importance of why it needs to happen.